Well, I think there's a couple at the feeder, and they are flying around. So let's just see. Yeah, if you're patient, they come. I don't know how well they'll show up in the video because, well, in the viewer, they look small. You can see them. You can see them especially when they move, but they look quite small. But I think maybe when you actually see the video, it'll look more
Life size.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is just the prettiest view. Oh, here come a squirrel. A fat little squirrel. Oh. They're full of those birdies.
Fruit in the bowl there.
I put some fruit out in the bird bath, but I don't know if anybody's gotten at it yet. I put in a piece of a pear, a piece of a tangerine, and a piece of a banana. But I don't know if any of them have come for it.